Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give a vitamin B complex injection. First, gather your supplies. The vitamin B complex vial, a sterile syringe with an appropriate needle size, and alcohol wipes. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to maintain hygiene. Next, prepare the injection site by ensuring it is clean and free from any irritation. This careful preparation is crucial for a safe and effective injection process. Now let's draw the medication. First, clean the rubber stopper of the vitamin B complex vial with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry. Next, pull back the plunger of the syringe to draw air into the barrel, matching the amount of medication you need. Insert the needle into the vial, inject the air, then invert the vial and carefully draw the prescribed dose of vitamin B complex into the syringe. Ensure no air bubbles remain. For administration, choose an appropriate intramuscular site, like the deltoid muscle in the upper arm or the gluteal muscle. Clean the injection area thoroughly with an alcohol wipe, moving in a circular motion outwards, and allow it to dry completely. With a firm grip, quickly insert the needle at a 90-degree angle into the muscle. Slowly and steadily push the plunger to inject the vitamin B complex medication. After injecting, smoothly withdraw the needle from the skin. Apply gentle pressure to the injection site with a clean cotton ball or gauze, but avoid rubbing. It's crucial not to recap the used needle. Immediately dispose of the syringe and needle in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental needle sticks. Monitor the injection site for any unusual reactions, such as excessive redness or swelling, and contact a healthcare professional if concerns arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.